it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another day in my 2018 holiday card series. Today we're going to be using one of the new stamps that I showed in a haul earlier today. If you missed that video, I will try to link it at the end. I'm going to be using the Cookies for Santa. I'm going to be using the So Santa stamp set from Stampin' Up. I'm going to be using this May This Season Be the Sweetest Ever. And then along with that, I'm going to be using two pieces of the Santa's Workshop DSP. I have the stripe and then the polka dot. But we're going to start with stamping. Excuse me. And don't forget, you can head over to the coordinated blog post to get all the supplies and the measurements. This is a piece of Whisper White that measures 3 1/4 by 3 3/4. I go ahead and put my stamp down. I'm going to be stamping this using Memento Tuxedo Black because I'm going to be coloring with my Stampin' Blends. Perfect. Then I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to bring in just a scrap piece of Whisper White and our sentiment. And again, I'm going to use Memento Tuxedo Black for this. Just like that. Set this to the side. So I've zoomed you in so I can color. I did just realize that I stamped both of those stamps, which are foam mounted, using the foam on the Stamparatus. It didn't hurt it. I got a pretty decent stamp, so I'm not concerned about it. So, but now I'm trying to decide how I want to color this cup. I think I want to do red and white, but I think I'm going to do the letters in Poppy Parade. I was going to use my Stampin' Blends for that, but I think I'm going to use my Stampin' Right marker. This is the Poppy Parade marker, and that's just because it has a smaller nib, and I am very shaky. I have a little bit of a tremor, and so this will be a little easier for me, I think. So let's test out that theory. piece of Poppy Parade that measured 5.5 by 8.5. I've scored it at 4 1/4. Again, all the measurements are over on the coordinating blog post that's linked down below. I'm inserting a Whisper White card layer. I do that for basically every card I make, so you have a place to write. Oh, let me zoom out. Okay, I'm going to adhere these two layers together, again with liquid glue. I'm going to bring in the textured Poppy Parade ribbon that I used in the last card. Love, love, love this ribbon. I'm going to adhere this using a couple of pieces of washi tape, is what I meant to say. Oh, my nails match my project. I'm going to have an operation on my thumb, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. So I went ahead and had just the natural with the red tip put on. Not put on, these are my real nails, but that way, just in case I have surgery before I can get my nails done again, if they grow out, it won't drive me crazy. Go ahead and adhere this with dimensionals just because of that piece of ribbon. Once again, you don't have to use as many as I do, but I am selling my cards and I don't want them to fall apart. So if you're interested, I have an album that's posted on my TheJollyFatElf Facebook page and also one in my Facebook group. I will be updating it probably daily. That way you guys can get them ASAP. If you order one, it will ship for 60 cents in the US. If you order more than one, they're going to ship in a bubble mailer and you'll pay exact shipping. Payment is accepted through PayPal. Even if you don't have a PayPal account, I can email you an invoice and you can purchase them. If you're interested, all of this, like I said, it's over on the coordinating, it's over on my Facebook page or my Facebook group. And both of those you can find down in the description box below. My layers today are all 1/8 of an inch. This is a card that will need extra postage, or it's going to be one that you're going to want to give in person because it's going to have several layers. I'm going to stamp this using the label punch. I believe this is the classic label punch. Bring in a mini dimensional. glue to this end. Gonna bring back in my white gel pen so I can add some more white to my polka dots. Well, maybe. Bring in some glue dots. Last but not least, we need a little wink of Stella. One of these is brand new and has a lot. So. Now don't forget, you can't go over the letters. Because they are colored with our Stampin' Write markers rather than the blend, so it could smear. So that's it for today's card, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had as much fun creating with me as I did creating with you. Don't forget, you can find everything linked down below, and that I have Christmas cards for sale, so this card will be for sale starting today. So yeah, so thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.